Yep. So I think first of all, Himanshu, Ali, Makbul, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
So I have to ask you guys, like, let's start with one of the most cliched questions, जो I think फिर उसके बाद हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. So the question would be that, of course, now Khali Pili will be releasing in a very few days. And Himanshu and Ali, I think for the first time you guys are producing something. Makbul, this is your debut film as a director, if I'm not wrong. So
Not to do.
how has been this? How nervous or excited you guys are right now?
Bolo
Go
Makbul.
for it, Makbul.
Yeah.
Makbul.
Nervous, yes. Of course, we all are. But I am. They will answer for themselves. I am very nervous. You lived with the thing like a baby. You nurtured it for 2 years, and it's almost going to be 1.5, 2 years now. And now finally, it's going to go out in public domain, and you wait to see the reaction of the people, how they're going to receive it. So yes, that little nervousness is there. I would say butterflies. वो जो क्रिकेट मैच खेलने से बैटिंग से पहले जाते हैं ना, so जो butterflies होती है stomach में, that kind of feeling is definitely there. But I have two big brothers sitting, so they have immense support in them. Yeah, a little bit of nervousness is there.
For us, it's very simple. We are excited. Of course, as Ali and I have been telling over the past interviews also that of course we are not as happy perhaps we would have been if it would have been coming in theaters, but like again as makers you make something, the whole idea is for to get out there and show it to as many people, showcase it to as many people as you can, and as long as that is happening, I think it's a win-win for everybody. We all have to accommodate that the times that we are all growing in. That's that.
Yeah.
So, coming to casting, as you said, this is for the first time something different from Ishan and Ananya. Though maybe Ishan had done a bit similar, not exactly similar, but a bit similar character in Beyond the Clouds, where he's a Mumbai boy and all. But of course, still, when we see the trailer, it's both of them are quite new. So, were they your first choice for this film?
Yeah, actually, this came from Makbul. We did not narrate this film to a lot of people. After we locked the script, Makbul and Himanshu came with the script to me, and we sat together. I was quite, happy with the way the script turned out, and when they went out narrating this film, I think it was Makbul's choice. I think Makbul should answer this question because he went around narrating the script to both of them.
Yeah, so coming to your question, I think Ishan was the first guy जिसको हमने मिला, and my producers asked me, Manchu asked me, who you want to take it to and narrate this story. I said, I want to take it to Ishan, and then they were kind enough to arrange the meeting, and he was the first person who I narrated the entire story, and he immediately agreed to do it. He liked the script so much, then he said, I am on it. And then came Ananya when we were looking for this particular part, the leading girl. And I had this in my mind, I need a girl who's beautiful looking, and at the same time has vulnerability about her entire personality. So that entire combo, and I had seen Student of the Year, and I needed this particular character needed a little quirkiness in it. So Ananya had that thing in her in Student of the Year where she made people laugh, through her punches and jokes and all. So when I met Ananya, I narrated to her, and she wanted to take some time to come back, because this is something which she's never tried. Playing a girl, looking from a shawl and all, and so she wanted to take her time, and then she came back to us, and she came on board, and we had extensive workshops between Ananya, Ishan, and me, and because this film has Mumbaiya lingo, the famous or popular Mumbaiya lingo. So that had to be done correctly. So to get there, we had workshop for 1.5 months, and they both have picked it up beautifully. Though they've not seen that side of Mumbai, that underbelly of Mumbai, But when you see the film, you will find that that 1.5 months what we spent in the workshop has contributed a lot on screen. Yeah. So they were the two people I narrated the story to, and they came on.
So, coming to Himanshu and Ali, both of you guys, I think this film is first coming on Zplex, and if I'm not wrong, we have been reading that this film will be on, pay-per-view basis. So, do you guys think the audience is ready right now? Because earlier, whichever films have come on digital platforms, they were a part of the subscription process, which is there. Like, for example, if it's coming on Netflix, if I have a subscription, I can watch it. But now, Khali Pili will be like pay-per-view thing. So, are you guys confident about that audiences are ready for something like this?
I was. So, like they said, there's always the first time to everything. And the way, firstly, you have to understand that, this film was always designed, written, conceptualized for theaters. And of course, because, like we all keep mentioning, because the times that we are in, we had to, at some point take decision because of the mounting pressure, cost, and because, film is made with for a specific time, you should not stale your film. So collectively, Ali, me, Makbul, the studio, we decided that, we have to go out there for as many people. And when you talk about reaching out to as many people as you can, this format, the new format, that Zplex, basically it's with simple perspective of that you're not fenced to one particular platform where people are subscribed to. The whole idea came from a perspective on from the business point of view. You'd always feel that they're trying to maximize what they can, but we're actually trying to enable a wider reach. Because not only in your OTT, you could also view this from your DTH, such as Tata Sky, Videocon, D2H, Airtel, etc., from any part of the world. So the concept for us, it became that it'll have a wider reach for people to just sort of not only go from that domain and be able to see that. Also, it's not something that audiences or not many people, and especially people who are consuming movies on OTT, are not used to. There are other films, in other part of the world. You're doing it for the West world. A lot of people are used to consuming films on Apple, Google Play, so they are doing it in any other way. Of course, this is something which is very unique, and for the first time, something which we have to now learn and observe. And of course, all these observations will, that the learning that we have will be then utilized. But it had to start somewhere. But it started with a motive of enabling a wider reach. So I'm glad that it starts with our film. And whether or not OTT audiences are ready, equipped or not, is something we'll learn. And I just feel that if you are out there seeking content, and if all the assets of Khali Pili that you're seeing, if it's resonating with you, I just feel that you would even go on anywhere if you want to watch it. And that like how people like us, how peers like us, we just hunt and go. So yeah, interesting times.
So of course, coming to a bit of a controversy that the film has faced because of the song Beyonce, Sharma Jayegi, which is now Duniya Sharma Jayegi. I want to know about one thing, that do you guys somewhere feel that it just went beyond everything? Because we have had songs in past, and even just a couple of years ago, we had a song like Kala Chashma, where it was like Tere Gore Chehre Pe Kala Chashma Jachta Hai, or any other songs. Goriya, the word Gori and everything has been used a lot. Do you feel currently the Beyonce Sharma Jayegi, just the social media backlash went a bit beyond, which was not supposed to happen? Do you guys feel anyway like that way?
Well, I personally think that the whole thing started out of the context. I think it was picked out of the context, but then I also felt that with the current situation, everywhere is very sensitive regarding a lot of issues. So when I looked at the song from the point of view of the people who were criticizing, we thought that they were valid in their own way, and that is why we took the decision. We took our time, we toyed about the ideas, And then we took the time that to understand that if there is a certain section of an audience which are feeling offended, and they have a valid reason about it, we can't just not pay attention to it and put a blind eye to it. I think before storytellers, filmmakers, we first need to be responsible citizens of the society. And I, along with Himanshu, Maqbool, and our music directors and our lyrics writers, thought that if we can be supportive enough for them to change it, so that so we don't come out as arrogant and people who don't care about what is happening around us. We took a very conscious decision. We put our apology in front that if we have offended anyone, we are sorry about it. This was not the intention. The word Goria has been used over generations in Indian film industry to represent a girl. It has nothing to do with the color that she has. But if we've been misread, and we see your valid point, we are sorry about it and we will change it, because our film is all about entertainment. It's not about a controversy. It's not about offending a certain section of people. And this is why we took a conscious decision of changing the song. And this is where we are. So you watch the film, there is a certain reason the film is made for. It is a quintessential Hindi film which is out there for entertainment. And in this time where everyone is super stressed with what is happening around us, maybe this film will bring a smile to your face and maybe it will make you feel that things around us are normal. So that is the reason, and that is what was the reason that we went and did whatever we had to do after this whole backlash happened to the song.
So guys, it was really nice talking to you all of you, and I hope Khali Pili does well and people love it, and I am also looking forward to it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Murtaza.
Thank you, Murtaza. Thank you.
Bye. Take care, guys.
Bye.